Zwartz, and I'm 7 years old.
My name is Rocky Brown, and I am 8 years old.
My name is Duncan, and I am 8 years old. My name is Eric Finger McDougall, and I'm 7, but 6 days to my birthday. My name is Colin Blake Trelawney Prowl, and I'm 7 years old.
I'm Christopher Long, and I'm 8 years old.
I'm Maxwell Jeffrey Tripp, and I'm 7 years old.
I'm Connor Finch, and I go to Tam Valley, and I'm 8 years old.
My name is Anthony Vega, and I'm 8.
My name is Elias Leon Boondois, and I'm 8 years old.
I'm 8 years old, and I'm Jamie Longmore Baker.
I'm 7 years old, and I'm Charlie Gary Barrett. I'm 8 years old, and and I am Cooper Carroll.
Steve McDougall, I'm the skipper.
Victor Rego, I'm the strength and conditioning coach.
Today's a big game. This is a crosstown rival. I forget what their name is, but they're a big crosstown rival, and they're going to be giving it all they've got. But what's most important to us is to impress the scouts, because as you may see, there's a pretty big crowd tonight, and there's some scouts here tonight. So we're just looking to try to look good for them, and not necessarily play good baseball, but just be sparkling.
Now, do we take it one game at a time, or
one game at a time? Okay. And the good Lord willing, things will work out tonight.
I go to Tam Valley School.
I go to Tam Valley School.
I go Tam Valley.
Tam Valley.
I go to Tamalpais Valley School.
Tam Valley.
I go to Tam Valley.
Tam Valley.
Tam Valley School.
Go to Tam Valley. Tam Valley.
I go to Tam Valley.
I don't go to school. I've never gone to school. What about you?
The School of Hard Knocks and the Church of Baseball.
My favorite team is the Giants. My favorite player is Barry Bonds.
My favorite baseball team is the San Francisco Giants, and my favorite player is Tim Lincecum.
I'm not really sure.
My favorite baseball team is the Chicago Cubs, and my favorite baseball player is Zambrano.
Boston Red Sox, and my favorite player is David Ortiz.
I don't have one.
My favorite baseball player is Kerry Wood. My favorite team is Chicago Bears.
My favorite baseball team is the Giants.
My favorite baseball player is Big Hood, and my favorite team is the Oakland Athletics.
Giants.
Yankees.
Yankees, but I don't really have a favorite baseball player.
My favorite team is the Yankees, and I don't really have a favorite player.
Yo, VIP. Let's kick it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with my brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly. Flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle. Dance. Crush a speaker that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly. When I play a dope melody, anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it. You better gain weight. You better hit bullseye. The kid don't play. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Now that the party is jumping, with the bass kicked in and the Vegas are pumping. Quick to the point, no faking. Cooking MCs like a pound of bacon. Burning them, being quick and nimble. I go crazy when I hear a cymbal and a hi-hat with a souped up tempo. I'm on a roll, it's time to go solo. Rolling, hit my 5.0 with my rag top down so my hair can blow. The girl is on standby. by, waiting just to say hi. Did you stop? No, I just drove by, kept on pursuing to the next stop. I bust a left and I'm heading to the next block. The block was dead, yo, so I continued to A1A. Beachfront Avenue. Girls were hot, wearing less than bikinis. Rock men lovers, driving Lamborghinis. Jealous, cause I'm out getting mine. Shade with the gauge and vanilla with the 9. Ready for the chumps on the wall. The chumps acting ill because I'm full of 8-ball. Gunshots ranged out like a bell. I grabbed my 9, all I heard was shells falling on the concrete real fast. Jumped in my car, slammed on the gas. Bumper to bumper, the avenue's packed. I'm trying to get away before the jack is jacked. Police on the scene, you know what I mean?
I like to play hockey.
Football and basketball.
I like to ski. I kind of like basketball. Basketball, lacrosse, football, running, biking. That's about it. Basketball, football, soccer, and a little tennis.
Soccer.
I would play any sport.
What's your favorite of all of them?
I'm not sure.
Soccer.
Soccer.
Basketball.
I like to play soccer and I like to ski.
Soccer and skiing. I like to play soccer and that's pretty much it.
Come on, guys, run it out. Run out.
My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza.
Crab. Cheese pizza. That's gonna be pasta with red sauce.
Sushi.
Sushi.
Pasta.
Spaghetti.
Sushi. Actually, hot dog. Yeah, hot dog.
Sushi.
Steak.
I don't know.
Big League Chew.
Sunflower seeds and root beer.
Well, I'll leave the bad to the conditioning coach, but I think they're good because they all get dressed in their jerseys and uniforms each week, so that's good, and they do run around counterclockwise around the bases, so that's good too. So I'll turn it over to.
Yeah, I think part of our conditioning program this year has been working on sit-ups, push-ups, pull-ups. They're up to about 20 push-ups each, 5 pull-ups, and about 100 sit-ups. So they're really doing a good job there. Their 40 times are a little on the low end, so we're going to try to work on that for next season.
Again,